Okay, so now we have our the legit track module that being created. So how do we collect the calcium light chain track lifetimes? So now we go to statistics, and when you click statistics, they will show you overall information, and we will go to detailed information. And then here you can select specific values, and here you can select all this statistics information you want. And the one that we are using for our purpose is called track duration. So here you select track duration, and you will see different lifetimes of CCV, and they all have a ID number. If you click one, and you can see this one has been highlighted, and that's take a look of the shortest lifetime. It's about 5 seconds, and which one it would be. So it doesn't show up in frame 6, so it must be show up somewhere in the movie. It would be just one frame. Oh, there. Oh no. Oh, there you go. So it show up at frame 71. So this is the track. And let's see if you have this 40-second track, where it is. It's here. So you can like scroll up and down by the arrow on the keyboard, and to count whether it is legit to what the statistics says. Okay, so and now how do we collect this data? To collect data, you hit this the disk here, export statistics on tape display to file. So I collect it, and then you just find a place that you want to save this information. For example, now I select in the folder, and so they would just name the folder by its by the image names, and because you don't want to mess up what information you are collecting here, so I will use track duration of CCV track duration CCV track duration, or I would name it here as well, just in case that you mess up your data information. Track duration. And for the file format, now I recommend to use CSV file format to download this format instead of Excel format. The reason is when we feed our data into the data analysis tool that we are using, the machine only able to read the CSV file instead of Excel file. The Excel file is easy for us when we need to do manually data analysis. It's readable to us. But for the machine, you will use CSV. And if you download CSV, it's still convenient because you just convert it to, you save it as a Excel file in your computer. That is doable. But you cannot convert this Excel back to CSV, I believe. So anyway, it's better that you save it as a CSV file. So now I save, and I would double check that I have that information. So it's CCV track duration, and then I have this file. It's weird that it's always show up in another folder, but that's fine. And for the future, that you need to remove that folder for the convenience of data analysis, and this folder now is empty, so I can just delete this folder. And we'll see if I can read this now, because this computer used to don't have Excel file, so I was not able to read this information on this computer. But now it looks the new computer will allow me to use Excel file now. So yes, now I can see all the information here, so it's good. So this is the data that eventually we will do the data analysis. And I think this is the end of this section. Thank you.